Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to change who can tag you in photos in X. Controlling who can tag you in photos gives you the power to manage your online presence and privacy. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of adjusting the photo tagging settings in X. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, typically positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. Step 3. A drawer will appear. From the options available, tap on Settings and Support. Step 4. Inside the Settings menu, look for Setting and Privacy. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety to access the privacy settings for your account. Step 6. Within the Privacy and Safety section, tap on Account Information. Step 7. Look for the option labeled Audience and Tagging and tap on it. Step 8. Now, locate the photo tagging option and tap on it. Step 9. Select the suitable option from the available choices that aligns with your preferences and privacy needs. And there you have it. You have successfully changed who can tag you in photos in X, allowing you to have better control over your online presence. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy a personalized and secure experience on X.